This is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the freezer door brackets on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new freezer door bracket for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Before we get started, note that these steps apply to both the left and right bracket. Start by opening the freezer door. Then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Remove the lower drawer by pushing it back slightly, then tilt the front up and out. Then, using a 3/8 inch nut driver, remove these 6 screws. Tilt the door forward and lift up and out. Making sure to note the position, remove the camvert adjuster using a T27 Torx bit. Then, using a 3/8 inch socket, remove the screws holding the bracket in place. If you need to purchase a new freezer door bracket, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. Also, the left and right door bracket are sold separately, and they each have their own part number. To install, align the holes on the door bracket to the pre-existing screw holes on the door. The door may not seat correctly if the brackets are misaligned. Then, reinstall the bolts. Now install the camvert adjuster on the new bracket, making sure to install in the same position as before. To make installing the door easier, insert a small object onto the pinion wheel track to jam the gear so that the slide brackets stay in place. Then align the tabs on the door brackets to the retainers on the slide rails and gently set in place. Reinstall the screws. To install the lower drawer, insert it at an angle, making sure it sits beneath the support glide rail. Then pull the drawer forward so that the tabs align with the retainers on the slide rails. Make sure that the front of the basket is beneath the lip. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. That's it for today, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave us a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.